Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name at the top. This takes you to Apple ID controls. Once there, choose Payment and Shipping and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so you can edit payment methods. You should see a list of cards and other payment options. Tap the specific card you want to delete. Doing this lets iOS load editable fields and the Remove option so you can proceed safely without logging into a browser. You now remove the card. Tap Edit in Payment and Shipping or tap the card and pick Remove Payment Method. Make sure to read the confirmation prompt. Tap Remove to confirm. If that card is set as your primary payment, add a replacement first. Tap Add Payment Method, enter details and set it as primary, then remove the old card. Once done, the system updates your Apple ID across devices. Wait a few moments and verify the card is gone from the list. Finish by closing Settings and reopening Payment and Shipping to verify the card is removed. You should no longer see it. If the change doesn't appear, restart your device and try again because cached data sometimes delays updates. If you still can't remove the card, perhaps due to an unpaid balance, active subscriptions, or family sharing restrictions, check those accounts and clear issues, then retry. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.